There was this time when OnePlus used to be the smartphone that every Android user want, but currently it is about to fall down from the top 10 smartphone selling list. And the main reason is their smartphone green line issue and motherboard dead problem. But there is a slight chance that with their new launch OnePlus 13R, they make a good comeback. From its predecessor means 12R, there are a lot of updates. The battery is upgraded to 6000 mAh, the telephoto lens is upgraded to 50 megapixel, and the biggest confusion of the last time, UFS storage, it is also updated to UFS 4. But the price at 40,000 where its main competitions are big like S23 and IQ phone, can it be able to stand out? So in the terms of design, it is a subjective choice. But for me, I personally prefer the 12-part design more. I think the floating camera module in 13 series is not that much good, but again, it is a subjective choice. Talking about the display, I actually like it because now it comes with a 120Hz flat LTPO display with a decent high brightness and also supports HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision on YouTube and Netflix both. Talking about the animation and software, the OxygenOS 15 based on Android 15 comes with a 4 year of software and 6 year of security update that give a fluid experience. And in comparison to 12, but the processor also give it a big advantage. But there is a problem. Now it comes with the App Store which give you notification. And the customization options are good, but they are limited and strict to some strict features. Talking about the battery image is bigger, but the charging speed is now slower, so it takes more time to charge. And the most controversial part, 8 Gen 3. Yes, it is a last year flagship, it is a more capable processor, but without turning on the performance mode, it can't give you the full performance. And in performance mode, it also drain much battery. So let's talk about gaming. It give you a decent gaming, but not all games. Why I'm saying that? Because there is a bug with BGMI. It's stuck at 60 fps and can't move over 60 fps, but the processor is capable of 120 fps. So if you want gaming, especially BGMI, then it will be a better choice to choose any other IQ phone at that price range. Now talking about the cameras, the hardware and specification are capable of doing so many good things. But in terms of camera, the S23 at the price of 40,000 is much better than this. So if you can adjust the battery problem on S23 and gaming is not your main priority, then S23 is a far superior phone. And in term of OnePlus, if you want it, my choice will be OnePlus 12R despite it not get any more updates.